Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to claim ownership of a Facebook page. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so the application that we're gonna open here is not Facebook application. Instead, we're gonna use the browser. For this video, I will use the Microsoft Edge, as for that is the application I'm comfortable with, but you can use whichever browser that you'd like. Okay. And by the way, it is also and originally accessible in PC or laptop. Let's go ahead and open Microsoft Edge. Once you've opened Microsoft Edge, all you have to do is to type in the link business.facebook.com to gain access to Meta Business Suite. And once you've typed it in, all you have to do is to log in and you will see the same screen as what I have right now. And to claim ownership, for the next step, all you have to do is to go to the bottom left corner of your screen and look for the settings. As you can see, it is right next to search. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see this screen. And on here, all you have to do is go to the top left part of your screen and look for the assets settings. There's this second one. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you tap on it, you will see the screen. You will see the list of the assets that you have in your business account. And the one we're looking for here is the Pages tab, so that we can claim ownership of those pages up or see the list. Let's go ahead and tap it. As you can see, the list of the pages that has been added to my business account is here. And to claim ownership, all you have to do is to add assets. You can do that by tapping on in add assets on the top right part of your screen. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be seeing this prompt. You will be asked what you want to add to your business account. The one that we want to claim ownership of is a Facebook page. That's why we're going to select Facebook page. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be seeing this prompt. Facebook Suite will ask what you want to do. You can either create a new Facebook page if you still don't have one, claim an existing Facebook page. If there is an existing page which isn't added in your business account and you want to add it, all you have to do is to choose that option. Or if you want to request to share a Facebook page, the third option is the one that you need. But we're just gonna claim ownership. That's why we're gonna select this second one. Claim an existing Facebook page. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you'll be seeing this prompt asking which page do you want to claim. By the way, to claim a page, someone with full control of the page must approve your request. And once approved, the page is moved into this business account, and then people can be assigned to help manage the page, including contents, ads, insights, messages, comments, settings, and permissions. And right below that information, there will be a text box in which you can type in the Facebook page name or URL. Let's go ahead and type for this one. Let's say this one. I want to claim ownership of that page. And once you've typed it in, you will see the profile picture of that page and the name as well. And once you're sure that is the page that you're looking for, all you have to do is tap on next. Once you've tapped on next, as you can see, you will be asked if you want to continue. And as you can see, this page is owned by me. That is why it will be approved automatically. But if it's not owned by you, you will still have to wait for the approval of the owner. And to move forward, all you have to do is to tap on the checkbox, agreeing to meta terms of service and pages, so that you can tap on the claim page. Let's go ahead and tap it, and just wait for it to fully load. And as you can see, as for I am the owner of the page itself, the page is claimed successfully and it has been moved into the business account. But if it's not owned by you, you still need to wait for approval. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.